Lavender oil benefits for skin. Benefits: antioxidant protection, improves mood and reduces stress, upports brain function, heals burns and cuts, promotes healthy skin and hair, relieves headaches, improves sleep and insomnia, relieves pain. Or Cacia, Aromatherapy body oil, relaxing lavender review. Description: pure essential oils. A blend of lavender, Lavandin, spike lavender. New look. Same great lavender harvest. Tested, verified for purity. Not tested on animals. No synthetic ingredients. Paraben and petroleum free. A blend of 100% pure essential oils. Lavender, calming. Lavandin, purifying. Spike lavender, balancing. Suggested use: smooth over your body to deeply nourish your skin. Great as a bath oil too. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to running bath water. Luxury awaits. Other ingredients: Vitis vinifera, grape, seed oil, Prunus armeniaca, apricot, kernel oil, Prunus amygdalis dulcis, sweet almond oil, lavandula angustifolia, lavender oil, Lavandula ex intermedia, Lavandin oil, Lavandula latifolia, spike lavender oil, tocopherol, vitamin E. Warnings: store tightly closed in a cool, dry place. Caution: if pregnant, nursing, suffering from any medical condition, or taking medication, consult a healthcare practitioner before use. Avoid eyes and mucous membranes. May irritate skin. For external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.